Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change clock on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So what you need to do, guys, is pretty easy. All you need to do is go to the right of your steering wheel. Here you're going to find this little screen. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to give you guys a closer look. Once you're here, guys, all you need to do is go to your settings here in the bottom, and then here you're going to find all of these options: personal info, Bluetooth and devices, general, and so on. Go ahead and click on general, and then here you're going to find accessibility, date and time, keyboard, and language and the unit. So of course we're going to select date and time, and then here normally it's set on automatic, but if you want to change it, all you need to do, guys, is make it manual. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can choose your time zone. Click here, and then you can choose what time zone you want. Once you finish, click on OK. Here also you can choose between 24-hour time or the normal 12-hour time. And then once you finish, just go back, and then all of your changes will be saved. So this was it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.